Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will share with you uh, pure georgette Jaipuri saree. What you at an unbelievable price of just 2500. Yes, you heard it right. This execute saree is crafted with pure georgette fabric known for its lightweight and gracefully draped. It features intricate hand embroidered and designs showcasing the rich heritage of Jaipur tradition craftsmanship. Each piece is meticulously woven, capturing the essence of elegance and beauty. The vibrant and radiant color of this saree will leave you spellbound, and it's perfect for every occasion, be it a wedding, festivals, any special event where you want to look your best and make a statement. Plus, the enhancing pattern and motif give it a timeless appeal, making it a valuable addition to your wardrobe. The saree comes with a matching blouse piece, allowing you to uh, the customized and your attire according to your preference. It easy to pair this saree with your favorite accessories, creating a stunning ensemble that reflect your unique style. So why wait, grab the opportunity to own a genuine piece of Jaipur traditions craftsmanship at an incredible affordable price. Once again, we thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this and found helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. And happy shopping guys. If you want to purchase this saree, then link is in description box, you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.